In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a professional, working form to any page and tailor it to collect the information you need. Start on the page where you want the form to live and enter edit mode. First, add space for it. Click Add Section. A section is a horizontal band on your page, and it helps keep your layout clean. You can choose any layout you like here. Blank is great if you want full control, while a pre-designed layout can give your form some breathing room with a built-in heading or image. Inside that new section, click Add Block. Blocks are the individual pieces of content you place inside a section, like text, images, or in our case, a form. From the block menu, choose Form. Squarespace drops a default form onto the page so you can see how it will look and start customizing it right away. Hover over the new form and click the pencil icon to edit. This opens the settings panel where all your form options live. Begin by updating the form name. Give it a clear descriptive title that reflects its purpose, like Contact Us, Project Inquiry, or Event RSVP. A good name helps you stay organized and may display above the form depending on your design settings. Next, edit the button text. Swap out the generic label for an action-oriented phrase that sets expectations, such as Send Message, Request Quote, or Submit RSVP. Short, specific text improves clarity and can increase conversions. Now let's shape what you collect. Click Edit Form Fields. This is where you control each question. To add something new, click Add Field. You'll be able to choose from options like address for full mailing details, website for URLs, checkbox for yes or no confirmations or terms consent, date for scheduling or birthdays, and survey for collecting structured feedback with multiple choices. Pick the field type that matches the data you need, then customize its label. Add placeholder text or help text if needed, and mark it required when it's essential. Keep your form focused. Ask only for what you'll actually use. You can rearrange fields to guide visitors logically from basic info to more detailed questions. As you refine, glance at the live preview to ensure spacing, labels, and button text feel balanced and readable on the page. When everything looks right, save your changes and preview the page to test the flow. Submit a quick test entry yourself to double-check that labels make sense and the form feels easy to complete. That's it. Your Squarespace form is ready. Keep it concise, clear, and purposeful, and you'll start getting better, more useful responses.